Okay, guys, last day of training, sixth day, right? So Punya, let's discuss the issues that we faced and where we are, what is the status. Okay, so tell me with Charlie now, uh, he had a lot of excitement around people and guests.
Yeah.
Where are we now?
Whereas I can easily, without worry, bring in guests, and I
Hmm.
don't have to warn them that he'll jump at you. And of course, I need to train the guests that don't look at him, don't fall for him.
Hmm.
But that's understandable, and I can trust him basically now to not jump.
So is he okay around guests and all?
Yeah, he's much better.
Much better.
Yeah.
You are able to manage him. Okay. So practice more of that. So out of, say, let's say you meet 10 guests, how many you can manage him without any overexcitement?
8 or 9, I would say definitely.
Great. Okay. So practice more of these, especially with the one or two that are more provoking for him to be
Yeah.
excited. And the more you do it, the more you will get better. Tell me about Charlie's. So he had a struggle with his grandmother,
Yeah.
right? So earlier you told me on day one that he came to her very excitedly and she fell down, and she had developed the hesitation of touching him.
Yes.
Where are we now?
Yeah, so even with starting the training, I thought that, even if I get him trained fully, there was no way I could tackle my grandmother's fear, because एक बार if she's experienced something bad, so I wouldn't know how to deal with that. But you made me call her, and she petted him when he was relaxed and almost asleep.
Yeah, we
And
did one
that really
session.
changed things. I wasn't expecting that to happen, but I think, yeah, I'm very grateful to you for that, because I wouldn't have known how to deal with it.
Well, I think it's you who kind of drew in grandmother. She came downstairs because of you, right? But I wasn't expecting her to actually pat on that day.
She pet him without me also. He was asleep and all.
Okay.
And I got scared when she told me that.
Oh, you weren't there.
Yeah, I wasn't there.
Great. So
Without
when was
any-
this?
This was, I think, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Because she told me today morning when we were having breakfast.
Okay.
That this happened and he fell asleep. And I was like, वो तो फिर परसों मेरे सामने
हाँ.
कहती नहीं नहीं कल क्या कहते हैं मैं गई थी ये सो रहा था
Hmm.
तो आराम से इसको और
Very good. Excellent. So do more of that. You need to now get in all the caregivers involved with them. Make sure that Charlie is properly drained before you have him approach grandmother, and then manage that. Manage him not getting excited, and also the more she pats, the more familiar she will get. Great. Now with Kuro, you mentioned that he had he used to whine around food, and he was mostly महेश ने बताया था कि वो uninterested था food के लिए. अभी क्या है status है?
I think because we started exercising them more,
Hmm.
and that's mostly helped with his appetite.
Hmm.
But also you telling us that we need to correct the food also, and me seeing how excited he was about kibble and how uninterested he is in his regular food, that changed things also.
So does he still whine around food?
Whine around food, around some of the family members, because they aren't trained that well.
Okay.
So once I'm able to,
So when they are eating food.
yeah,
Okay. So
not whine basically, he'll
Okay.
just sit there.
That give
Whining
me.
has stopped, yeah.
Okay.
But he'll sit right there and wait for them to look at him or give him.
So that's okay. They can sit around food,
Yeah.
but you should be able to control their food bowl, and also make sure that they don't reach out to your.
Yeah.
Just like you wouldn't like me to reach out to your food plate. Just maintain those rules and boundaries. Okay. So the key, as you said, even for food, transfer that skill set to other caregivers, and they should also be able to step up. Okay. And yeah, I mean, so they are exercising more. So definitely, I think Kuro is also gaining some interest in the food now, right? So that's the key. Okay. Now for both of them, you said that leash walking was a problem. They used to
Yeah.
pull on the leash,
Yeah.
and you said on day one that you would not be able to walk.
No, I wouldn't
Both.
have imagined me walking both of them together.
Okay.
Because even though Kuro doesn't pull, he used to like to walk ahead of you.
Kuro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He would
I
like
saw
to
David.
eat when we were out on walks. And Charlie had a major leash pulling problem.
Yeah.
So Charlie earlier, but now I'm comfortable walking them both.
Both. So
that's,
you did it yourself, right?
Yeah.
Today, both of them. So that's the key. Make more of those walks. Walking your dogs is the primary skill set. Okay, maintain that leadership with them. Make sure you walk both of them. Okay, at least one walk a day you should be able to do both of them. Great. So, how many days did it take to resolve all these total?
I'm sorry,
To resolve all these issues?
I think by day 4 or 5, I was fully confident
Hmm.
in my skill set. And even yesterday, we were majorly focused on socializing them and meeting other dogs
Hmm.
and addressing that. And I was comfortable walking them and with people also and with food also.
Okay.
So I think 4 or 5 days was
4 or 5. So today is day 6,
Yes.
right? Final day. So we haven't started working on dog aggression part
Yeah.
for both of them. Let me know when you want me to come over and start with that. But for other issues, I think you are pretty much set to practice. Great. I think that's all I had. महेश, आपने बहुत हेल्प की थी इनिशियली, क्योंकि इन दोनों को अकेले पुण्या जब ट्रेन हो रही थी मैनेज करना बहुत मुश्किल था. बट थैंक्स आपका, आपने काफ़ी हेल्प किया है. अब तो so Punya, tell me one final thing. Can you manage them without Mahesh also
Yeah, I think so.
around guests and walking them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because the only challenge I would have would be if this one isn't tired. And now
Yeah.
that we know that's the issue,
Yeah.
exercising it properly and taking out the walks would help me manage them.
Okay, great. Okay, great. Thank you, Punya. Thank you, Mahesh.
Guys, if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and comment, and I look forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye.